Yan guys, celebrating Happy Father's Day at the temple. Long table. Yan si Happy. Ayan, free food. A lot of goodies there. Sorry. Yan, nagluluto pa sila doon. Ang dami pong kita. Diba? Yan, dami pong goodies guys. Cake. O, diba? Xavier and Chow Chow. Here lah, don't gosip here. Dito tayo sa temple guys. Celebrating Happy Father's Day here.